Welcome traders and investors. My name is Nandis. I'm the founder of Dalrymple Trading. It's Wednesday, the 10th of September, 2025. We're here to look at the chart for S&P 500 and WTI Crude Oil pre-market, just to see what's happening with the price action and how we can position ourselves up for the coming session. So looking at the S&P 500, we can see that prices have actually touched the all-time high at 6,500, retested that level from the 5th of September. And as we're speaking on this video right now, that price is currently getting tested and rejected. What I'm forecasting here is the possibility of a rejection from that level back towards the moving average before we push up higher and break past that 6,500 level. Keeping in mind, this is the second time that level is being retested. If we look back at the past of this chart, we can see that we've been hitting all-time highs in the month prior. On the 29th of August, we saw the market pushing up and testing that and then correcting. And also on the 23rd of August at that time, on the 15th of August, we saw that the market was retesting those all-time highs. So we can clearly see that the general direction of this market is very bullish. And I've been mentioning that in all my videos. As an investor or a trader, it's a great opportunity to get into the market. One thing to keep in mind is the fact that the market is very stretched at the moment from historical averages. So at some point we will see capitulation. We're not sure whether that could happen this year, next year. It's hard to see when that could happen. But given where valuations are with stocks, individual stocks, along with the S&P itself, we can say that at some point down the road, we will see a serious correction that will come and impact this market. But as investors and traders, our job is to trade with the trend and be prepared and ready for any potential corrections that may come. But as the market is currently looking, we're pushing up to the upside. The other thing to keep in mind is that in September, there's the idea of a rate cut by the Fed Reserve. The question is it going to be a 0.25 or 0.50 rate cut? Either way, it's very bullish for the market, because what that means is that the government is taking proactive action to basically strengthen the US market, thereby injecting further cash flow into the market. So that's seen as a bullish bias, once again adding to the momentum that we currently have with the S&P. Looking at WTI Crude Oil, I've actually changed my bias on this now. I am actually in a bullish bias with the WTI Crude Oil. I believe that the bear campaign for the moment is over, and we've just kicked off a new bull campaign. So what we're seeing is prices sort of retest that 63.50 level, and then we rejected off that level, and we're trying to go and retest it again, see if we can break above it. Down below, we've got support at 61.50. It is forming a little bit of a range when you look at the price action, but for it to be completely bullish and out of the clear, we need to break that 63.50 level. So until then, we just got to be careful. But at the same time, it is sort of building up in a more bullish momentum than prior. So let's see how this all pans out. Good luck trading.